nothing. You gotta tell me nothing.
Riding on the track, lean all in my way.
Hey, hey, hey.
Unless I stuck by you, you're a sunflower. Walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. Santos, that's on Tommy Campos. We live like Soprano. Walk it like I talk it, 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 walk it like I talk it. Hit a lick with the jaw. Walk it like I talk it, 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 walk it.
Sorry sa mga kalat sa bahay namin.
Sun is down, freezing cold. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame, yeah, sicko mode. Hey, this is here with all the ice on in the booth. Put this shit together, I'm the glue. So sad, so sad. Hey, hey.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to buzz it to the dance.
Like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a light, hey, slept through the flight.
Two 2,000 years later.
Sobrang init, hindi ko kakayanin yung gantong init. Sobrang init. Anong papanoorin natin? Dead of the Dead. So, ang papanoorin namin ay ano ba? The Dead Never Die. No, The Dead Don't Die. I'll see you at the mall. Alright? So we are going now to the mall. And sobrang init. Grabing init. Sobrang na to. Wow. So, we are finally here in the parking lot. And manonood kami ng sine. Mamayang, aray ko, nakalimot ko yung sarili ko. Mamayang 4:30 ng The Dead Don't Die. And, kala nyo, ganito ako manonood ng sine. Hindi no, may dala akong jacket. Grabe ka. Itong matindi. Walang jacket. No, cute. So, yeah. So, we're here inside the fitting room of Victoria's Secret. Mag-fit muna tayo. Pinalakutan ko sa akin. So, yan. Kapag-shopping na naman tayo ng mga sports bra and pants. So, kain muna tayo ng Shake Shack. I'm gonna order the Shack Burger and the cookies and cream classic shake. Hi, how are you? Can I get a single Shack Burger? One shroom burger? Yeah. Yes. And the regular fries? Yeah, just a regular fries. And can I get a cookies and cream shake, please? Yeah. No whipped cream, please. That's it.
So I have one Shack Burger, one shroom burger, one order of fries, and a cookies and cream.
Right.
So here or to go?
For to go.
The name of the pickup?
Chat, CHA.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Chat, CHA.
Alright, so that's it? Yeah, that's it. $23.07.
Okay. The fries, yeah. And the cookies and cream shake. So So, we're gonna watch the Dead Don't Die. And later on, gusto namin panoorin yung Chucky after this, which is at 7 o'clock. I'm thinking, what should I use? Ay? Saan mo gusto? Let's go! So, ayun nga guys, katatapos lang namin manood ng The Dead Don't Die. Ang review ko lang sa ano na to, wala pang 1/10. Siya yung pumili nun. Lagi na lang pag pumili siya ng movie na papanood namin, walang kwenta. Grabe guys. Ito ha, real talk lang, mga kahombre. Joke lang. Huwag na kayo manonood ng Die Don't Dead. Huwag kayong manonood ng Dead Don't Die dahil ang pangit.
Pwede
So,
lang siya
yun
magtrabaho
guys,
dito.
katatapos kami mag-mall. And pauwi na kami.
Ano na lang sa KFC, magano ka muna.
Ikaw mo, pag may pera ka, pwede ka makapag-deals.
Kausap namin sila mama. Hey guys, just got home. So, I'll end this video now and I'll see you on Friday. Bye.
Ciao, may mga